Make a great choice today with 2017 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, Bose sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, heated rear seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does. Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with a full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With a 6-year, 70,000 miles bumper-to-bumper coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, you'll have peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.